This is my missed trade recap. Trade that I missed. Even the missing trade, we gotta journal it and catch it next time, right? That's what we have. That's why we gotta journal it for. We're gonna be going over this trade that we had on Thursday, and let's go over it, right? And to those who were wondering, well, why do you take? What did you tend to take profit from all the way till from here to here? Because today is Thursday, right? This we did not take a trade on Tuesday or Monday, right, or Wednesday. We took this on Thursday, so Friday has to get a closure price. So high likely of it going over here, less likely of it going over there, right? So that's why I take profit. This only to the CRT. So guys, I'll show you guys more example of what I mean by this. I'll show you guys more example on gold, and yeah, because every pair, if as long as counterprint TRTs in play, right? Let's go over our missed trade on the weekly. Today I had my whole bias wrong, so that's why I missed this trade. If I would have had my bias right, I would have not missed it, right? So on the weekly, we go from weekly IRL to ERL. This weekly this weekly fair value gap, I thought you got disrespected. That's why I was looking for shorts, right? So and I saw a CRT here, right? This why we're not looking to use this CRT as our key level, because on a monthly time frame, what do we have? A monthly CRT to the upside, right? So it's going against a monthly, but as well as yeah, we have not but I mean as well we have another weekly IRL to ERL, right, pointing to the same spot, so making it stronger on liquidity. On the daily, we have a midweek reversal, right, and we had another daily CRT right over here. You can see another daily CRT. We have a 50%. We have this CRT right here, and a 50% mark got hit as well on this daily CRT right over here. So that would have been an additional take profit that we could have gone for. Since today is Thursday, we know that damn well market is not gonna go here Friday. What we could potentially do is trial stop loss, take profit at least to the 50% mark of the freaking daily CRT. So why we're not going all over here today is Thursday, right? As I said, time is more than price. We're gonna be going, as I said, we're gonna be talking about that more and later in the video. Before we do that, let's talk about our analysis and why we missed a trade before we get into that, right? And you can see right over here, market for our daily CRT, our key level was this rejection block, this order block filled liquidity, filled this this order block right over here. So let's fill this fair value right over here. So yeah, that is our order block, and the threshold of the rejection block, which would be this 50% mark of the rejection block, would be a threshold. So that's what you can see market reflect out of it 2 times here. And how was the rejection block? How was this a rejection block? Because market created an order block. Market went down to a deep down of the order block to the rejection block without souping the rejection block low, right? So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4 hour, do we have here? 4 hour, we have a 4 hour. We have this 4 hour CRT right over here as well. So on the 4 hour time frame, we didn't had much here. We had we had enough amount of narrative for to take a trade. We're in discounted area right over here. Market pressure at a low and a high. So we're in discount. So our drawn liquidity automatically becomes the 50% mark, then the high, right? But we can't go all the way here. Why? Because today's Thursday, right? Tomorrow market needs to end. It's closing a price. So making a less volatile move. So tomorrow's Friday, right? As you guys know. So our other thing we had here was we had a 1 a.m. CRT. So the 1 a.m. candle was that 1 a.m. made the high of the day. If I'm bullish, I want the 1 a.m. to make the low of the day. So market swooped at the low, but I entered right over here. And this entry was my type of CRT entry. You can see my type of entry right over here on this. Market swooped at a low, right? And market give me a full candle closure instead of a body, right? So this could give me full candle closure. So entry there, couple ticks below this, this low. Eventually take profit. One will be the CRT high. Take profit two will be the 50% of the daily CRT. Why are we going all over here and not to the high? Because today is Thursday, so time comes before price. So this will be more of a realistic goal rather than going all the way over here, right? So that would be that, and that's why we went. That's why we put our take profit here, right? Yes, it's a missed trade. We still could journal it and catch it next time. So in this case, what do we? Why do we go for our take profit all over here and now to the high? As I said before, time, right? Today we're taking a trade on Thursday, so you guys know the trade you take on a Pacific day matters, right? If you take a trade on if I take a trade on Tuesday, I'll be fine holding it to all over here, right? If I take a trade on Thursday, I would not be fine because market could reverse. I'll give you guys more example, right? But you can see right there, entry there, stop loss here, TP1, TP2, right over here, daily CRT, 50% mark the daily CRT. And what else do we have here? Right now, currently, market did a huge OTE here, all the way to the 70% mark of the OTE, which is fantastic, right? Deep retracement. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What else we have here on this? This is all we have, right? He's looking for a New York reversal profile 1 a.m. accumulation, 5 a.m. manipulation, and 9 a.m. expansion. In this case, the 5 a.m. is a manipulation and expansion. So it's another sort of a CRT, right? It's multiple, type of CRT, and this is one of them, right? And then you see right over here, there's a type, I think, 2, the CRT. Doesn't matter what type it is. All we know there's a CRT here, right? And yeah, what's our 4-hour key level? It could be 4-hour this rejection block as a 4-hour key level. We could have done a total soup on this as well. I think you had a total soup entry on this candle. If you were to trade this, let me go and see if we have a total soup entry on this standard deviation. Yep, you would have had a total soup entry on this. The -2, the -2.5 is aligning with this rejection block, 50% of the threshold. So you would enter there, stop loss at the -3, which would be like right on this low, I think, pretty sure. -3, -3. Yep. -3 would be right on this low. So you would have entered on a total soup on this, 50% of the threshold of the rejection block, and you put stop loss at the -3. And you would just do the same thing here. You would not go all the way down here because, the total soup, I should hold it for longer. Nope, you go for the same spot as I'm going. Why? Because you are basically, time, right? Today's Thursday, so tomorrow's Friday. Market needs to close. When market needs to close, market needs to close in a fair price. Thus, why if you take a trade on Thursday, market won't deliver, right? If I go over here, why did this trade deliver? We took the trade on Tuesday. So we had 4 days until it take profit. While this, we only had 1 day to take profit. Guess you probably say, what if I hold it till until he take profit? What market we usually do, or retrace, go stop you out, then go up, right? Give you another entry on that, right? So this is how you protect your take profit. This is how you protect your gains, right? Rather than letting it go and round tripping, right? So let's go over, why did we not manage to catch it? Simple. First reason was I did not know. I thought you're gonna close below it. I tried to pre-guess it, which is not a thing here, right? There was no confirmation that it closed below, so the candle did not close. So if the candle closed, to decide if we're gonna be bearish or bullish, right? Because on a higher time frame, it really matters, right? And what else we had here? The other thing that it was here is the body tells the story, the wick does the damage, right? So body told the story, the wick that did the damage. And what is the last thing that we can learn from this lesson, from this missed trade, is right when I wake up, I should not look at the charts. I should not use my phone. Wake up, I should be in the bathroom, wash my face, take a shower or whatever, right? Come here, pray, you get to the charts, because if I just go use my phone, am I looking for a new reversal or am I looking for a new situation? That during that specific time, I don't know the higher time frame, so I'm just guessing. And when that's what literally just happened, right? I just I think I'm looking for a new situation, so let me wait until next couple of hours. So I just using my phone. So that led me to miss this trade. If I were to come in a market right after wake up, go brush my teeth, and say in the charts, right? And I would know like, this would be a new reversal because the higher time frame told like this, right? Even when that happened, I would probably not cut this trade because my higher time frame bounce was actually invalidated because I did not know about this, right? So now I know, and yeah, let's go over our example. I'm gonna tell you guys about the time, right? So that's our check profit was only that 50% mark. As you can see me, I just want to take profit to here, just to saying in the future when this happens, I could be more calculated, right? So that's why I take profits here and not all the way till here because today is Thursday, and it all makes sense. Let me show you what I mean, right? Let me show you what I mean. Right over here, why did this trade fail? We took it on Thursday, the same day we took this, right? The same day we took this trade, this went up. So we had the same take profit go. We had the same take profit go. Market reversed fully, stopping us our break even and making us round trip of a couple RR. This one was our initial goal, which was all the way here, and this pretty sure there was a range high here as well. There was a daily CRT here. That's what I know. Okay, there's a daily CRT, right? So it basically made us round trip a extra. This was right up here. It was a 4.6 RR. That's a lot of RR in there, right? And it made us round trip a 5+ RR. So now we're making less than we're supposed to initially make. So a take profit want to be what? A 3 RR, right? TP2 will be a 5 RR, right? Now this made us round trip another 5 RR. That made us cash out our first initial 5 RR, right? So that's why it matters so much. And this trade, 15 RR trade. Our thoughts from the 14 RR, 15 RR trade. I give you guys this signal. Some of you guys who paid attention to my live stream, I was like, okay, you could take this long here. This was the 1 a.m. candle. Sort of long it from here all the way up to here, right? Why did the market pressure us 2 times? Because this candle is not a specific time, right? This candle is at, the purge of this liquidity was happening at what time? It happened at 9 p.m., which you need to purge at 1 a.m., which is a Pacific time. So yeah, and a lot of you guys got scared of this pullback. This is just an OTE here. It's just an OTE. Don't worry about this pullback. Market will do this, right? So market just did an OTE, and this right over here will be the second leg. If you really guys wanted to catch this, what would be second leg here? The second leg would have been over here, but it probably would have faced a loss. There probably would have not been an entry there, but yeah, it would have not been a second entry actually. It would have, to me personally, what I'm seeing right here, it would have not been a second entry. You probably would have faced a loss here because your initial entry would have been all the way over here, right? So yeah, that's why we took this trade on Thursday. We took this trade on Tuesday. Full TP, same goal. TP got hit, same goal. The TP did not get hit, right? Because market on Friday needs to close in the fair price. So Friday needs to close. So Monday comes back down, giving us another opportunity to back to the upside. And Monday is the one that caused a move to the upside, right? Same thing to here. We go back to our chart we have right over here, right? The trade we took on a couple days ago, this right over here. Why did this one deliver to the upside? Because we took this on Tuesday, right? If we were to take this trade on Friday or Thursday, we would have not gone to our initial take profit because market could have, market could be doing this, right? Market could be going up. Let me give that drawing here for you guys. Market go up a little bit. Oh, we're thinking to go up all the way here, but it's Friday, right? So market needs to close on a fair price. So market probably gonna go like this, close on a fair price. Next week, market needs to make the low of the week, right? So market goes down, makes a low, then goes up, right? Stopping you out. Okay, so open, low, high, close. So that's why you gotta use your brain a little bit. You gotta be very well calculated. You can see, you guys saw me change my take profit from here to here. Yes, it's a missed trade. Yes, I did not take a trade. That's why I put my take profit over here to give you guys a good example of this, right? So my take profit is a 50% mark of the daily CRT. Why? In this case, why am I going for that 50% mark of the daily CRT? And you guys, when you guys usually don't see me go for the 50% mark, and it's because I have to. Why? Because we're in Thursday, so market will go up, but not that high to all over here. So if it's 50% mark, makes more sense. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Actually, I see you myself on Discord. I want to have some chat with you. Are you gambling? I want to see you gamble. I don't want to see you gamble. Actually, I want to chat with you. I want to chat with you. I see you inside. Link description down below. I see you inside.